Hey everybody, it's Neil, and my son just moved out, and so I needed new pillows. He took the pillows with him. This is a bed here. He took the pillows with him when he left, so I needed a replacement pillow. So I got myself this one here. Look at how compact it comes. This is like a shredded memory foam one. So, and I can feel it's got some weight to it, so it's gonna expand like you wouldn't believe. But let's check this out here. So it kind of comes in a cool little pouch that I'll be able to use for something else, I'm sure, but there's no way I'm gonna be able to get this pillow back in there, I'm positive. So this is what it looks like here. Here's the information kind of for it if you really need it. So kind of explains, I guess, how to fill it up to have the different types of sleeping methods. So here it is. It's like it's in a pouch in another pouch. So we're gonna be opening up a few pouches here to get it open. So, sheesh. Okay, so the first one is that there. So now we have this. So let's see if we can open this up now. I love it when these things come packed like this. This is the greatest thing ever. Since the shipping stuff, you used to go to the store and just get a, something in a bag or something be fully expanded. But now you get these things and it just comes so compressed, and then you put it in the air and it gets big. Look at how thin that is right now. It's insane what the packing does. They have the greatest vacuum systems in the world nowadays that'll just suck everything out. Okay, so let me see. Let me take this out of here. I'm trying to be very clean about this because I have a little dog running around and she will eat anything that comes out. Okay, so this is what it's like here. So let me start popping it up here and I'll show you guys how this stuff works. It's the greatest. I actually have another one of these, the same pillows in the other room, but I saved this one here to unbox for y'all because I got two of the same. Okay, so we're getting there, but you can see already it would never fit back in that little pouch. So this is kind of like how you open it up again. So once you get your pillow, you just kind of fluff it like this, and really you want to let it sit out for a couple of days or so. I think you can even put these things like in the dryer for like 10 or 15 minutes, and just the flopping around of it, even without heat or anything like that, just the flopping around of it will give it the growth that it needs. But you can see, look, it's already a pillow here, and it's already got some there, and it's made out of bamboo. And it's got a cooling side too, so it is funny. I can feel it. So if you look at it, it's got like a silky kind of texture on that side, and this side here is more fuzzy. So I guess this would be, if in the winter time, if you want your face to be hot, you could lay on this side. And in the summertime, or for me, anytime, keeping it cool would be that way. So look at this. So now we've got a pretty full pillow that is really good, and it does have structure to it. Like you'd think maybe it would squish down again, but not really. But what's also cool is it comes with extra memory foam. So if you do like it firmer than this is going to get, which is actually going to get still firmer than this, you could unzip it up here. I'm a little afraid to do. Oh, it's got a little inner pouch as well, so that's good. You can unzip it here and then unzip the inner pouch and put the extra fill in there if you really like it strong. But it says adjustable memory foam pillow. The outer cover, 45% cooling silk fabric, 55% polyester. And the other side, is what they call it, is 29% rayon derived from bamboo, 72% polyester. So, and I got the queen size one. I have a queen size beds here, so I could fit two of the little, I think queen size versus standard, it's a little bit wider, so it's a little bit bigger. But this is it. So very cool, nice pillow, and it's almost expanded, but I'm sure by tonight or tomorrow, it's going to be a solid pillow, even more solid than it is now. It's pretty solid already. It's hard to believe that this whole thing fit into this little bag here. There's no way it would ever go back. So super awesome. Thumbs up for sure.